Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Ilhami Jarul Haq, and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of personal protective equipment or PPE, especially in the context of preventing COVID-19 transmission in healthcare settings. Let's begin with our learning objective. By the end of the session, you will be able to understand the role of PPE in preventing infection, define PPE and recognize its different components, explain the purpose of each PPE item, demonstrate how to properly put on a take of PPE, and finally, identify the risks that come with incorrect use of PPE. So, what exactly is PPE? PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment. It refers to specialized clothing or equipment worn by workers to protect themselves from serious health and safety risks. In healthcare settings, PPE helps prevent the spread of infections like COVID-19, protecting both healthcare worker and patient. PPE includes several essential items, such as gloves to cover your hands, gowns or coveralls to cover your body and clothing, masks or respirators such as surgical masks or N90 pipes to protect your respiratory system, face shield or goggles to protect your eyes, and in certain high-risk situations, head covers and shoe covers to prevent environmental contamination. Each piece plays a critical role in reducing the risk of transmission. Let's look more closely at the purpose of each PPE item. First, we have gloves. The function is to protect your hands from contamination and prevent the transfer of germs. Second, gowns or coveralls act as a barrier to protect your clothes and skin. Third, masks or respirators shield your mouth and nose from airborne droplets. Fourth, eye protection, such as goggles or face shield, keeps infectious droplets from reaching your eyes. Fifth, head and shoe covers help reduce the spread of contaminants in sterile or high-risk environment. When you should use PPE, PPE must be worn whenever there is a risk of exposure to infectious agent, especially when providing care to patients with suspected or confirmed COVID-19, when handling body fluids or secretion, when dealing with contaminated equipment or waste, and during any aerosol generating procedure such as intubation or suctioning. Correct timing and selection of PPE is essential for protection. Now, let's talk about donning or how to properly put on PPE. The correct sequence is 1. Perform hand hygiene thoroughly. 2. Put on the gown and fasten it securely. 3. Put on your mask or respirator, ensuring it fits snugly. 4. Add eye protection, either goggles or a face shield. 5. Finally, put on gloves. Make sure they cover the cuffs of your gown. Following this sequence help maintaining a clean barrier and prevent contamination. Next, doffing or removing PPE must be done just as carefully to avoid self-contamination. Here's recommended order. First, remove gloves as they likely the most contaminated. Second, then remove your gown by peeling it away from your body. 3. Perform hand hygiene. 4. Remove eye protection without touching the prawn. 5. Take off your mask or respirator by the strap. And 6. And finish with hand hygiene again. Next, improper use of PPE can be dangerous. Some common mistakes include touching your face with contaminated gloves, reusing single-use PPE, taking PPE off in the wrong order, skipping hand hygiene, or wearing an ill-fitting mask. This error can result in infection, even if you were wearing PPE. Next, PPE is essential in protecting healthcare worker and patient from infection. Each component of PPE serves a specific function and must be used correctly. Proper donning and doffing procedure greatly reduce the risk of contamination, and always improper use of PPE can be as risky as not wearing it at all. Let's always prioritize safety for ourselves and for others. That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you for your attention and participation. Now I'd like to open the floor for any question or comments. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask about specific scenario involving PPE use. Once again, thank you and stay safe.